Best humidifiers. Warm mist humidifiers have become an essential appliance for households, especially during the dry winter months or allergy seasons. By maintaining optimal humidity levels 40 to 60%, these devices help alleviate respiratory issues, soothe dry skin. List number: Vicks Warm Mist Humidifier. Air humidifier for bedroom. The Vicks Warm Mist Humidifier is designed for medium to large rooms, offering a 1-gallon tank capacity that provides up to 24 hours of use. It features a whisper-quiet operation, making it ideal for bedrooms, and includes compatibility with Vicks VapoSteam for added relief during colds and flu. With no filters to replace and an auto shutoff feature, it prioritizes simplicity and convenience. Pediatrician recommended. This model is a reliable choice for families. In testing, the Vicks Warm Mist Humidifier excelled in maintaining consistent humidity levels in spaces up to 500 square feet. The warm mist output was effective for relieving congestion and dryness, particularly during the winter months. However, its lack of advanced features like smart controls or adjustable mist settings may be a limitation for tech-savvy users. Cleaning was straightforward, thanks to its wide tank opening, but it's worth noting that the device can get warm to the touch during extended use. List number: Levoit humidifiers for bedroom home. The Levoit Oasis Mist 4.5-liter smart humidifier stands out as the most advanced model in this comparison. It offers both warm and cool mist options, customizable humidity settings, and smart controls via the VSync app. Its top-fill design, essential oil tray, and near-silent operation make it a versatile choice for modern homes. With a sleek design and a 430 square feet coverage area, it is ideal for medium to large rooms. During our tests, the Levoit humidifier performed exceptionally well, providing rapid and even humidification. The smart features, including app control and auto mode, were intuitive and added significant convenience. The warm mist was particularly effective for alleviating sinus issues. However, its higher price point and relatively smaller tank capacity compared to other models might not suit users looking for extended runtime without refilling. Cleaning was manageable, though the inclusion of a water filter sponge requires occasional replacement. List number: Vicks Warm Steam Vaporizer. The Vicks Warm Steam Vaporizer is the most affordable option in this comparison, designed for small to medium rooms. It features a 1.5-gallon tank, a built-in nightlight, and compatibility with Vicks VapoPads and VapoSteam for extra soothing relief. Its compact design makes it a practical choice for children's rooms or small spaces. While testing, this vaporizer provided reliable performance for its price point, effectively adding moisture to the air and relieving minor respiratory discomfort. The nightlight feature was a thoughtful addition for children's rooms. However, the lack of advanced features and shorter runtime compared to other models limits its appeal for larger spaces or extended use. Cleaning was simple due to its wide tank opening, but the absence of adjustable mist settings was noticeable. List number: 6L Top Fill Ultrasonic Humidifier. Cool. The Tune 6L Ultrasonic Humidifier offers a balance of affordability and features, including both warm and cool mist options, a top-fill design, and a large 6L tank that provides up to 50 hours of runtime. It also includes a nightlight, an essential oil diffuser, and smart auto mode for hassle-free operation. In practice, the Tune humidifier impressed with its long runtime and consistent mist output, making it ideal for large rooms. The top-fill design was user-friendly, and the auto mode effectively maintained comfortable humidity levels. However, the device emitted a faint noise during operation, and its black finish might not suit all home aesthetics. The inclusion of a 3-year warranty was a standout feature, offering peace of mind to buyers. List 9. 6L Humidifiers for Bedroom Large Room Home. The CoolFix 6L humidifier is a versatile option with both warm and cool mist settings, a top-fill design, and a 6L tank. It features 360 degrees rotating nozzles, 3 mist levels, and an essential oil diffuser, making it suitable for bedrooms, living rooms, and even indoor plant care. This humidifier delivered consistent performance during testing, with its rotating nozzles ensuring even mist distribution. The sleep mode and quiet operation made it a great choice for nighttime use. However, the device lacked smart features like app control, and its design felt bulkier compared to other models. The anti-dry burn safety feature was a thoughtful addition, enhancing its overall reliability.